Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Do you struggle with speaking English fluently? Do you translate in your head and feel nervous while talking? Today I am going to reveal 5 secret fluency tricks that native speakers never tell you. By the end of this video, you will walk away with techniques that can change your English forever. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. These methods are used by real language learners who went from zero to fluent within months. If you are serious about improving your English, don't skip a second. Trick 1. Shadowing method. Shadowing means repeating what a native speaker say immediately and out loud. Choose a short podcast or YouTube clip. Listen, then copy words for words. This builds muscles memory, improves pronunciation, and boosts confidence. Do this 10 minutes a day for just a week and feel the difference. Trick 2. Think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Instead, start with simple thoughts in English like I am brushing my teeth. I will go to work now. Narrate your day to yourself. This will rewire your brain for fluency just like native speakers think. Trick 3. Record yourself daily. Open your phone and record 1 to 2 minutes of yourself speaking. Talk about your day, your thoughts, or a topic you love. Then reply and find what needs improvement. It's like having your own speaking coach and it works wonders. Trick 4. Learn phrases, not words. Fluent speakers don't speak in single words, they use phrases. Instead of memorizing go, learn I gotta go. I will be going soon. Can I go now? This chunk of language make you sound natural and confident. Trick 5. Daily real practice. Find a partner, app, or group where you can speak daily, even 5 minutes. No theory will help if you don't actually speak. Apps like Tandem or HelloTalk connect you with real people globally. Practice even if you make mistakes. That's how you grow. Closing tips. If you follow these tricks consistently for 30 days, you will see huge improvement in fluency, confidence, and clarity. You don't need perfect grammar, just real practice and the right mindset. Now it's your turn. Which tip will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more powerful English tips every week. See you in the next lesson.